Imagine launching your drone into the sky, flying a single path, and suddenly having 5 completely different, perfect camera angles to choose from. You do not have to worry about panning perfectly. You do not have to worry about missing the action. You just fly. This is not some concept from the distant future. This is the reality of the brand new DJI Avata 360. For the longest time, creators have been forced to choose between the thrilling, fast-paced immersion of an FPV drone and the creative flexibility of a 360-degree camera. But what if you could smash both of those tools together? Today, we're taking an early look at a drone that completely rewrites the rules of aerial cinematography. It feels like a literal cheat code for video creators. Stick around, because this might just be the most exciting release DJI has ever given us. The very first thing you will notice when you look at the Avata 360 is the camera setup. It looks completely different from anything DJI has done before. At first glance, you see a single lens sitting on the front. But the magic happens when you launch it. You actually have to hold the drone in a specific, upright way to launch it. Once it gets up into the air, the drone does something amazing. It automatically switches into 360 mode. You see, it actually has two identical cameras. This dual-lens system captures a full 360-degree sphere of video around the drone at all times. This is the ultimate superpower of this new machine. You fly your path just one single time. Later, when you're sitting at your computer editing, that one flight can become a cinematic sweeping angle. It can become a high-speed action angle looking forward. It can become a dynamic vertical shot perfectly framed for your social media. You can keyframe the camera movements to look anywhere you want, even looking backward at yourself as you fly away. It removes all the stress of framing your shot in the air. As with any 360 camera, you might lose a tiny bit of absolute sharpness compared to a traditional single lens, but the sheer creative flexibility you gain is unmatched. And if you want, you still have the option to just shoot in a standard single lens mode. But a great camera is useless if the drone cannot survive the real world. FPV drones are meant to be pushed to the absolute limit. They're meant to dive down mountains, race through forests, and fly over water. The Avata 360 seems to be built like an absolute tank. It has been tested in extreme conditions. We're talking about flying through pouring rain. We're talking about flying through thick, humid weather. It has even been tested taking splashes of corrosive salt water from the ocean. Through all of this abuse, the drone handles it easily. It gives you a massive amount of confidence when you are flying. You do have to be careful about getting water drops right on the glass of the lenses because those drops will show up in your final 360 video, but the actual electronics and motors are incredibly resilient. You never want to intentionally destroy your expensive gear, but knowing that this drone can survive a sudden rainstorm gives you incredible peace of mind. Now, let us talk about the transmission system because this is where a lot of older FPV drones completely fail. When you're flying an FPV drone, you're wearing goggles and seeing what the drone sees in real time. If that video feed cuts out, you crash. It is that simple. With the Avata 360, the video transmission is mind-blowing. Imagine flying deep into a dense forest. You're weaving behind massive tree trunks. You're dipping low behind giant rocks. Normally, all of these obstacles would block the signal and your goggles would go totally black. But the connection on the Avata 360 stays rock solid and perfectly stable until the very end of the flight. Even without looking at the official spec sheet, in actual real-world use, this transmission system feels like a proper, high-end DJI product. It is reliable, crisp, and completely trustworthy. When it comes to the physical size, the Avata 360 sits in a very interesting spot in the DJI lineup. If you look at it from the top down, it is actually a bit smaller in width and length compared to the older Avata models. However, it is a bit taller in height to accommodate that new 360 camera system. If you compare it side by side with the tiny DJI Neo, the Avata 360 looks huge. It is a very different beast. But despite the changes in dimensions, T absolutely does not feel like a cheap toy. It has a premium, professional build quality. It looks somewhat similar to the Avata 2, but once you really look closely at the camera housing and the frame, you realize it is a totally different, highly upgraded machine. It is incredibly fun to fly, and you get used to the new shape and weight distribution very quickly. DJI also packed this drone with some amazing quality of life features that show they really listen to creators. First, let us look at the safety features. You can clearly see sensor packages on the front and on the bottom of the drone. Even though it is an aggressive FPV drone, These sensors provide some really excellent obstacle awareness. This adds another layer of safety when you are flying in tight spaces. But the absolute best feature of the entire physical design is the lenses. If you have ever owned a 360 camera, you know they're a nightmare to keep safe. The lenses bulge out, and if you scratch them, your camera is basically ruined because that scratch will show up in every single video. FPV drones crash all the time. It is part of the hobby. DJI solved this massive problem by making the lenses completely replaceable. You can literally just take off a scratched lens and pop a brand new one on. This is huge. You can push this drone to its limits, crash it into a tree, scratch the glass, and just swap the lens out without having to buy a whole new camera. That is a game-changing feature for content creators. Finally, let's talk about how you actually control this beast. DJI is giving you a ton of options. For your headset, it is fully compatible with the excellent DJI Goggles 3. When it comes to the controller in your hands, you have incredible flexibility. You can use the standard DJI RC2. If you want a more intuitive, one-handed flying experience, you can use the RC Motion 3, which lets you steer the drone just by tilting your wrist. And for the hardcore FPV pilots who want total manual control in acro mode, it is compatible with the FPV Remote Controller 3. It is incredibly easy to jump right in and start flying in normal or sport mode, making it accessible for beginners, while still offering the tools that professionals demand. In my opinion, the Avata 360 is not just an evolution of the FPV drone. It is a completely new tool for storytelling. The real selling point is not how fast you can fly it or how many flips you can do. The true power is how creatively you can use that 360 footage. It changes the way you think about getting a shot. You stop worrying about framing and start focusing entirely on the flight path. DJI clearly wants to push the limits of what creators can do, and this drone feels like a massive leap forward. It is easily one of the most exciting, creative tools DJI has ever made. If you love this deep dive into the DJI Avata 360, make sure to hit that subscribe button, share the video with a friend who loves drones, and smash the bell icon so you never miss our next big tech review. What do you guys think of the Avata 360? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.